the structure of SAE USD on daily time frame. We'll switch to the line chart to better understand. We have a key demand floor here. It's a critical area to wait for price in the future. So you can put a buy order at 26. A buy order at 26 can trigger at any time. The last time we had a touch on that structure was on Monday 15th, and this came close. And there's also a possibility that price could come in, and as long as we have no price breaking below this structure, this daily candle close, as long as there's no structure closing below it, we are good looking for buy opportunity. Then another thing again we need to look at is we have here again another daily support structure at 40. So we have two support structure, support structure at 640, support structure at 26. And so far so good. We've not had any strong daily close below those daily support structure. A broken resistance structure becomes a demand floor. So after break of structure, demand, break of structure, demand. So we are going to keep these as key important areas for us. These are key important areas of reaction, market reaction for us. Then we have a daily cross. So our daily cross is going to be our DTL descending trend line. We have here as a resistance structure. We have here as a support structure. SR daily. And we have here as a ROS daily. So let's go back to 4 hours. Now you can see that on daily, since Monday 15th, we didn't invalidate a daily structure. And when we look at on 4 hours, on the floor, the most significant swing we have here is this. The final demand before the swing is at this level. So we'll make an adjustment. And we make another adjustment. And this 4 hours close. Yeah, so we're going to be on 4 hours and the daily. And these are daily cross. We made a lot. We made a mistake yesterday in a daily cross chart yesterday, and that was not that was not in the character of a future. So we have three touches of ours. RS1, RS2, RS3. So on technical, on 4 hours, it puts here as a potential roof is going to be our okay. So in the future, uh, and here's the final retest at a break of structure, and you have seen that upswing. So that's RT, share SR, a W structure, reversal price action, break of a neckline on 4 hours. This is the neckline. So you see, there were a whole lot of oversight yesterday, and I take a correction for the oversights. There was there was a whole lot of oversight. If you look here on 4 hours, you will see a very strong structure on 4 hours. A very strong structure. A very strong structure on 4 hours. So it's good to use a reversal price action, a W, double bottom. Double bottom is a reversal price action at 44, and you can see it clearly. That's a demand floor, and that's a neckline as well. So what we had there was a neckline retest, neckline retest. So in the future, we'll be looking out for a break of that structure. So what that means is that should we break out from that structure, then we start to look for possible opportunity down. But at the moment, the market is bullish. At the moment, at the very moment, if we get a breakout from this line, we look for and come down here. Yes, well, at the moment, the market is going up on daily time frame, and on 4 hours, Another thing again we see on 4 hours, if you look, we have another structure here that has been broken. A very nice structure. So this is a critical revision of what the market has done. So moving forward, we are looking for buy opportunity, and I will set forward guidance on a next potential opportunity to wait for price. Go back to your chart, you see what price has. Very beautiful structure. We have here as SR, we have here as ROS. Let's bring this here for reference. And we have here as after breakout structure, here is an RTRS. And we have here as RT slash ROS. After a breakout structure, that's a retest candle. In fact, we have two there. This one is fundamental, that has to do with Federal Open Market Committee market decision. You can see it. Wednesday and Thursday retest to this structure. ROS SR interchange. You can see it. After breakout structure, price return here. When price came back on Friday, it broke the structure. On technical, you are waiting for buy at this level. So if we get a pullback, this level, you're looking for a buy opportunity at that level. As a demand flow. So on technical, if we get a pullback into here, we're going up. And now we are looking for resistance. There are more resistance in the market, to be honest. We don't have much resistance in this market. As long as I see, we don't have much resistance in the market. We don't have much. There is one key resistance that I can see. We have here as ROS. We have here as ROS. Breakout structure, we have here as demand and a retest candle. Break of a demand flow, this is a retest with a strong weak rejection from the taking liquidity from the roof. So on technical, we expect that this should continue till into 3,400. So as the market opens, I will look for buy opportunity as the market opens. I don't want to sell gold for now. The reason is that we tried a couple of sales that resulted in loss. So this is a potential opportunity for sell. This is a supply roof. As a supply roof. So looking at a continuous swing into 3,696, and there is a possibility of getting a retest here. Here is a very strong structure, or a very strong structure at this level. at 87. So we could get a retest at 87. Maybe the market opens and react at 87. The reason for that is that we have here as a after breakout structure, we have here as a RTSR. This is a retest candle, RTRS. Price could come back here to can see the structure. Retest. If it comes back here, it might pick liquidity, but it will to sell from here. Or we will get a daily liquidity grab on this zone. So look at what price has done here and rejected entire of the structure and sell down. So there is a possibility that the day open candle will go up and seek liquidity at 3,700 and draw down. And the most potent buy floor we're going to be looking at is going to be on this ascending trend line. It's going to be our buy floor. It's going to be our buy floor. So on this ascending trend line, we have here as ROS. I will have here as another ROS. Go back and see, look at what price has done there. So in the future, this guy can swing into the structure. If he swings into the structure, you're looking for a sell opportunity. So that's also another supply roof on 4 hours. That's another supply roof. So a push into this structure by Monday, New York time, will be 3,723. 3,723 New York time into 3,725. So sell, good, 3725, 3730, 3723. That's the zone. So we oversight in trading. It's you're not a bad trader, but you just assume. We just assumption. Yesterday we made a whole lot of false assumption, and we take a correction. And moving forward, we return back to square one. So this is actually what you have now. This is what you should expect on 4 hours for good. If you like this idea, give us a thumbs up and let us know what you think. Bye for now.